Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Anaga Singh. I am HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department. My subject is Industrial Engineering and Quality Control and subject code is 22567. So, our chapter number 1 is work study. In this, it includes method study and work measurement. Now, let us see the teaching scheme for industrial engineering and quality control subject. Here, as you can see, L means lectures, weekly 3 lectures and practicals 2 hours practicals. Okay, the final theory exam will be of 70 marks. Okay, and theory PA that includes your unit test 1 and 2 average marks plus your micro project marks. Micro project is for 10 marks and class test is for 20 marks. Okay, it consists of term work, internal term work of 25 marks. Okay, practical end semester exam again of 25 marks. So this is about the teaching scheme of industrial engineering. Now here you can see the syllabus of this industrial engineering. It consists of 5 units. Unit number 1, work study. It includes method study and work measurement. Unit number 2, process engineering. Unit number 3, ergonomics. Unit number 4, quality control and inspection. Unit number 5, statistical quality control. Okay, so now let us see each and every unit one by one what it consists of. So unit number 1 consists of industrial engineering definition, need, objectives and scope. It also consists of work study, which includes method study and motion study and time study, that is work measurement. It also includes definition of method study, different types of charts like outline process chart, flow process chart, multiple activity chart and so on. Work measurement consists of objectives, procedure, time study equipments, stopwatch, time study allowances, calculation of standard time. Unit number 2, process engineering. It consists of production concept, factors of production, what is supply chain management, process engineering functions, preliminary part print analysis, process determining manufacturing sequence, line balancing, critical path method. Unit number 3, it consists of ergonomics. The concept of ergonomics, need, man machine relationship and functional anatomy data. Ergonomics of design and control members, push button, knobs, levers, cranes, hand wheel, etc. Ergonomics considerations. Then unit number 4 consists of types and location of display, compatibility in the design of control members, meaning of quality of product and services, quality characteristics, quality of design, quality of conformance, quality of performance, concept of reliability, cost quality assurance, cost of network and repair, cost of rework and repair, quality and inspection, quality circles, TQM, total quality management, Six Sigma, Kaizen, Pokayoke, 5S techniques, introduction to ISO system, quality economics, cost of quality, value of quality and so on, various QC tools, that is quality control tools, inspection, types of inspection. Then chapter number 5 consists of basics of statistical concepts, meaning and importance of SQC, that is statistical quality control, variable and attribute measurement, control charts, process capability, acceptance sampling, process capability, different types of sampling plans, sampling methods. So this is all about the syllabus of your IEQ subject. Now let us see the paper design. Okay, so your first unit, that is work study, is for total 12 marks. Then process engineering, again it is for 12 marks. Ergonomics, it is again for 12 marks. Quality control and inspection, 16 marks. And statistical quality control for 18 marks. So total 70 marks. Here you can see some books to be referred for this subject. Now let us see the learning outcomes. Means after learning this chapter, what you are going to understand. So you should understand industrial engineering definition and scope. You should able to understand the work study, which includes method study and time study. Then method study definition, objectives, procedure and selection of work. Recording techniques, in that various process charts, outline process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, multiple activity chart, CMO chart, flow diagram, string diagram, Thurblin's travel chart. Then work measurement, its objectives, procedure, time study equipment, stopwatch, time study allowance, calculation and standard time. Okay, so let us see the definition of industrial engineering. Here in this slide you can see the definition of industrial engineering. According to the Institute of Industrial Engineers, industrial engineering is concerned with the design and development and installation of integrated system of people, material, equipment and energy. It draws upon specialized knowledge and skill in the mathematical, physical and the social science together with the principles and methods of engineering analysis and design to specify, predict and evaluate the results to be obtained from such systems. Industrial engineering can be defined as the planning, scheduling and control of the activities that transform inputs into the finished goods or services. Industrial engineering need. It helps company to be competitive in the market. It helps to optimize the cost of product or services. It helps to improve quality. It helps in meeting customer needs and market requirements. It helps to improve customer satisfaction and stakeholder needs. It helps company to achieve stability in the market. Now, industrial engineering objectives and scope. Let us see the objectives and scope of industrial engineering. The primary objective of industrial engineering are to increase productivity by optimum utilization of input resources, to optimize complex processes and systems by eliminating wastage of production time, to improve methods of operation, to control production cost, to develop various methods of cost control and value addition, to develop efficient and effective operation work cycle, So here we will go for a next slide. Work study, which includes method study, that is motion study, and time study, that is work measurement. Work study is a generic term for a techniques used for the examination of human work and systematic investigation of the factors which affect the efficiency of the process in order to seek improvements. Work study investigates the work done in an organization and aims at finding the best and the most efficient way of utilizing the available resources, that is man, material, money and machinery, to achieve the best possible quality work which involves least possible time and causes least possible fatigue to the worker. According to the ILO, International Labour Organization, work study is a term used to embrace the techniques of method study and work measurement, which are employed to ensure the best possible use of human and material resources in carrying out a specified activity. Work study has two closely related closely related techniques: method study and examination of the ways of doing the work. Work measurement, which is assessment of the time which a job should take, both are carried out systematically and follow very similar patterns. Here you can see diagrammatically work study, which is divided into method study and work measurement. What is the difference between the method study and work measurement? Here you can see the method study and work measurement. Method study, select task or work to be studied. Work measurement, select task or work to be studied. Method study, record the facts. Work study, work measurement, record the facts. Method study, examine the facts. Work measurement, analyze the facts. Method study, examine the facts. Work measurement, analyze the fact. Method study, develop and define new method. Work measurement, measure the task. Method study, install the new method. Work measurement, compile the standard time. Method study, maintain the new method. Work measurement, define method and its related time. What is method study? Method study investigates the work done in an organization and it aims at finding the best and most efficient way of using available resources, that is man, material, money and machinery. It aims at finding the best possible manufacturing procedure which involves least time and does not cause fatigue to the worker. In brief, method study aims at finding the best way of doing the job. Definition of method study. Method study may be defined as the systematic investigation of the existing method of doing a job in order to develop and install an easy, rapid, effective, and efficient procedure for doing the same job and at low cost. This is generally achieved by eliminating unnecessary motion involved in a certain procedure or by changing the sequence of operation of the process itself. Objectives of method study: improve process and procedures to find best way of doing job, better workplace layout and better working conditions, less fatigue to the operator, better product quality, improved in the use of materials, machines and manpowers, efficient and fast material handling, greater job satisfaction, higher standards of safety and health, reduction in waste and scrap, smooth and streamlined flow of production and processes. Method study procedure. Select the work to be studied under the light of economic, technical and human factors. Record all the relevant facts about the present and proposed method by observations or analysis. Examine the recorded facts critically and question each detail of job, considering in turn the purpose of the activity, place where it is performed, the sequence in which it is done, the person who is doing it, and the means by which it is done. Develop the most practical, economical, and effective method considering all the circumstances. Define the new method so that it can always be identified. Install the new method as standard practice. Maintain the standard practice by regular routine checks. Here you can see the method study procedure in the form of flowchart. You can see various steps, that is select, record, examine, develop, define, install and maintain. Thank you.